the backside of Assateague Island. With the tide being so low, you can actually get around here without your swim shoes on. You can see way off. There's the bridge that comes into Assateague. We'll head back. The beach that we just looked at there is nice because the campers can come out and use that in the summertime. It's a little curve here. This is the beach on the bayside that we always come to in the summertime. As you can see, they got a couple canoes. The storms blew them around, but the erosion took away the top layer about 15-20 foot down the way there. Lots of seashells. That's like the original. And then we used to walk out into the bed out to here where all these seashells are. That's in the summertime, the normal one. Got a nice low tide, and that's the duck hunters. You can hear them on the other side hunting. Whenever it goes off, always gives me a good scare. All the seashells for all the seashell people. Some good oyster shells, clam shells, little bits of good things here. You can see where the road is washed away, and then that's what you get there, chunks of the road mixed in with the seashells. That's just a thing that happens. Lots of good seashells here. So if you make crafts and do stuff like this, this is a awesome place to come and look for. See the different colors of where the parking lot, getting real close to the fence there, eroding away. The stumps here are always nice to collect some sand and build up sand around them, but you can tell this last storm just wiped these big stumps out and around. I think they're old cypress or a cedar tree. Having fun. All this dirt's eroded away. It was always full of sand and weeds and trees, bushes. Now, I'm going to see what's left of the tree, because the tree is broken off in the storm. There she is. Top of the tree is kind of gone.